Contouring is a makeup technique that uses shadows and highlights to create subtle definition on your face. 1. Prep your skin with moisturizer. 2. Apply foundation to even out your complexion. 3. Highlight with a color 1 or 2 shades brighter than your face. Focus on, under your eyes, the bridge of your nose, your forehead and chin. 5. Contour with a color 1 or 2 shades deeper than your base tone. Focus on your hairline, the hollows of your cheekbones, your jawline and neck, to make it look seamless and natural. 6. Blend with a beauty sponge by patting in short, quick dabs until the lines are invisible. 7. Set with a light powder and add just a bit of blush on the apples of cheeks.